video is just to demonstrate a brand new beginner on a BORA hob. This is a BORA Classic 2, which basically is a Tepan. We chose the Tepan. It's got the normal hob side there, a vent in the middle, which you can probably hear blowing a little bit now, which is all obviously variable. So what I'm going to do is just demonstrate first time use, just putting a bit of egg and bacon on here and see how we go. Okay, so we'll just start it up, and I've set it, I've configured it so it's actually locked, so we need to unlock it, and then I assume I just fire this up to as high as it'll go, 250. If I link those two, and then I'll put a timer on for 5 minutes, and that should peep at me when that Tepan pan's at the correct temperature. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I've just dropped a bit of olive oil onto the unit. Got 2 rashers of bacon here, so oh yeah, work that pan up a bit. So as you can see, all the fumes and grease and whatever off the unit goes down into this hole. So I'll put a bit more oil on there and then see how it goes with an egg. So that piece of kit is cool for doing that. But essentially, no sticking of the eggs, they cook really quickly. Bacon's all good, I've passed the test, it's passed the test. So really good unit, really pleased with it. And obviously for £5,000 you would hope you would be. Okay guys, so after our lovely egg and bacon breakfast, just not enough of it, really impressed how it did the eggs, did feel like a professional chef. And I'll just give it a clean, so this filter thing here just pops out, just gave that a quick rinse over. Really good, all really good. And the Tepan, although it's got some slight browning on it now, I think with some citric acid you can get that off, but I haven't got any, so I've just put it into cleaning mode, give it a quick clean over. Good to go for the next time. Can't wait for tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching.